So when you think of Israel, what comes to mind? Chances are it's war and violence rather than beautiful women and beaches. But the government wants to change all that. First there was cool Britannia, now there's hot Israel. But it's not to everyone's liking. Sky's Middle East correspondent Dominic Waghorn reports.
Girls!
They're beautiful and can strip a rifle. Fresh from national service, the new face of Israel.
Girls!
This photo shoot of Israeli models for Maxim Lads magazine was paid for by the Israeli government. A brazen attempt to sex up the country's image.
Current events are usually focusing on the tension, on the conflict. And we are trying to show that there's much more to Israel than just that.
Things like beautiful women in bikinis.
Also,
Israel has an image problem, admits its government, because of the region's wars and violence. To help counter it, it's commissioned this internet advert as well. But using taxpayers' money to promote a racier image has caused a storm of controversy.
It's using women in provocative positions, in positions during the photo op that were suggestive of come to Israel and you can have free sex with me. I think that this is not the way to use women in the army.
The government says Israel's a beautiful country and the world should be shown more of it.
Despite the controversy, Israel's government says it'll continue flaunting the country's hidden assets. And the campaign to rebrand Israel is only just beginning.
That might explain more and more websites featuring beautiful Israeli women on the beach or in uniform. And more adverts, this one donated by its makers to help promote the country's image.
Holy Mother of God!
To some it's sexist media manipulation. To others it's making up for what the news doesn't normally show. Dominic Waghorn, Sky News, Tel Aviv.